James Hardie has proudly provided Australian-made fibre cement to the building and construction industry for over 100 years. Today, we produce a wide range of innovative building material solutions across our manufacturing facilities in Rosehill, New South Wales and Carroll Park, Queensland. The manufacturing process starts with raw materials delivered to site. The primary ingredients are cement, sand, wood pulp fibre, water and proprietary additives. After preparing the raw materials, they are combined into a slurry, which forms a film on a moving belt, and multiple layers are combined onto a large roll to the desired length and thickness. Sheets are cut to size and stacked. The sheets are then steam cured inside an autoclave. After curing, the boards are loaded onto a conveyor to go through a finishing process one at a time, where they are finished to design specifications, including cutting, sanding and pre-priming where needed. Our manufacturing sites are also equipped to recycle materials from our manufacturing process. Each board goes through rigorous quality testing before being packed and stored at our warehouse, before being loaded onto a truck for delivery to our customers. Every Hardie fibre cement product has a life underpinned by scientific innovation, rigorous testing and high-class manufacturing to produce an end product that will appeal to and captivate homeowners, renovators, builders and designers alike.